Hi, I'm Stephen Brooks from UD Trucks Cape Town. I'm a sales executive and I've been selling for about 10, 11 years now for the UD brand. We basically work on the Western Cape area. We've got a range of commercial vehicles from medium commercial, heavy commercial and extra heavy commercial. This is one of our extra heavies we have got here. It's our new Euro 5 and blue Quester truck. We basically got workshops in Swellendam, Worcester and Malmesbury, and we've got our dealership as well out in Johannesburg, Vlakte, Kraaifontein side in Cape Town as well. The biggest thing on our extra heavy range, if you look at especially on the truck tractors, the truck is very light. Our trucks are all coming in at about 8.2 tons on the truck. It's a very light tear weight, which means you're going to get an extra payload on your truck, better fuel consumption, pay less for licensing fees. There's so many advantages. Wear and tear is lower, maintenance costs are lower. So that's where we dominate on our trucks with the extra heavies. Well, the Western Cape, especially the farmers, they like our Croner range and our 8-ton range, because we've got full automatic Allison transmissions. The trucks are very strong, very powerful, high torque engines as well. We've got all those on our range, and that's where we sell a lot to the farmers, just basically with the drop sides on them. And then the guys also can pull trailers because it has a high GCM as well. Tell me what your requirements are. We can do everything from a tipper topper body to a drop side, a solid side, anything. If you want a van body or closed body, fridge body, so we can do whatever you need for your application. We build it specifically for the client. We work out what payload you need. You'll see we've got a truck here with a crane on it. That client required to pick up heavy loads from a distance, and that's why we put a very big crane onto the truck as well there. You can get hold of us at UD Trucks Cape Town on 021 505 8600, or you can go to our website, UD Trucks Cape Town as well.